Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix App Store is not working on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and App Store is not working, so let's see how can you fix the issues. The very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, and you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode from here. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. And once you have done, you have to go back, open settings, go for general, and you have to try to disconnect with your VPN if you are connected and VPN. So you have to try to disconnect with that, and after that you have to go back and you have to try to update your software because sometime it might be that your software is not updated, so you might get these type issues. So once you have updated your software, you have to go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have up to 5 to 10 GB free in your iPhone storage, or if you don't have, you have to try to delete any app from your iPhone. And once you have done, you just have to go back and here go for screen time section, and then try to disable all the restrictions from here. Once you have disabled all the restriction, it will almost fix your issue, or if it doesn't work for you, you have to go for a general section again. Go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode and select reset network setting from confirmation message pop up. Once you have done, it will reset all of your network settings. It might be if there are any issue in your network settings, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, if you are still having the same issue, so you just have to open your browser and you have to simply search for sport.apple.com or search for Apple Sport, and here you have to open the first website and then you have to select the iPhone from here, then scroll down until you find the Get Sport option, and then select Start Now here, and here you just have to select the More option, then select App Store, select Continue, and here you'll get the option of Get More Help. Select that, then select Call Us, and you'll get a phone number or the contact number for your Apple Support team. Now whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and you'll get connected with the Apple Support team member, and you just have to discuss about your issue and you will get the official help from there. So in this way, you can easily fix if your app store is not working on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.